If you've ever gone to bed hungry, but still whispered a prayer before sleeping, this video is for you. If every night feels like a question you can't answer, and that question is, how will I survive tomorrow? Then listen closely, because what you're about to hear isn't just information, it's proof that even in a cruel world, kindness still exists. There are people out there who don't know your name, your face, or your story, but if they read your pain, they'll move mountains to help you. And these are the places where that magic still happens. 1. GoFundMe. When Maria's daughter needed emergency surgery, she had nothing left. No savings, no insurance, just hope. She wrote her story, hit post, and woke up to thousands of strangers saving her child's life. GoFundMe isn't just a site, it's digital humanity at work. 2. Just Giving. A man in London raised funds for a stranger's education in Kenya, all through this one site. It's not about borders, it's about belief that one person's click can rewrite another person's story. 3. ModestNeeds.org. This one's for the quiet fighters, people who work hard but still fall short. Single moms, part-timers, dreamers. They don't want pity, they just need a bridge. This site gives them that bridge. Verified, genuine, real. 4. Fundly. Sometimes help starts with sharing your dream, not your pain. Artists, creators, students, they post what they believe in. And if that belief is strong enough, the world joins them. 5. Indiegogo and Kickstarter. These aren't just for business ideas. They're for visionaries who want to change lives. If your project touches hearts, money follows. Because people don't fund ideas, they fund emotion. 6. Beggingmoney.com. The name sounds desperate, but sometimes that's the truth. Here, you can write your story, raw, unfiltered, real, and somewhere across the planet, someone reads it and decides to help. 7. Richpeoplegiving.com. It sounds like a myth, but it's not. Wealthy donors scroll, read, and sometimes they choose a random stranger to change their life, because even power needs purpose. Every website you just heard isn't just a link, it's a lifeline. Each click could be the moment someone breathes again. But remember this, the universe doesn't move until you do. You have to take the first step. You have to tell your story, even if your voice shakes, because kindness hides in the strangest corners of the internet, and all it takes is courage. If you've lost faith in people, maybe this video is your reminder that somewhere, someone is still waiting to help you. And maybe tonight, you'll sleep knowing the world isn't as heartless as it seems. Comment below. Hope is real, if this touched your heart. Subscribe if you believe that self-improvement isn't just about success, it's about survival. And share this video with someone who needs a reason to hold on. This is Simplify Actually, where we don't just talk about better lives, we light the way there.